Hi everyone, it's Friday and you're watching Teddy Bedlam TV with Lisa and Jason, and we are at Park Bridge. Look at it here, guys. Wow. Having a look round. Well, while we're in shops, I need to walk up in. He always wakes up in a bad mood. Be careful, it's high. Hi, no, be careful. I'm always careful with it. Look at you guys. I like it, guys. Oh, I've got some there. Oh my goodness. Can you get up here, do you know?
I'm caught on the bottom of that one.
Look at it here, it's like... Careful, Ted, it's high. Up, up, up. Oh, someone's been dumping.
You get an angle.
Oh, what's wrong, sweet? Come here, careful, it's a big drop. Come here. Come here. Careful.
Here, boy, this way. Oh.
What is it a bridge for? What's up here?
That's really massive. Where?
Nice little place, isn't it? Yeah. Hi everyone, let's have a look up here. Do you know you can fry them? You can fry these in batter. Do you want to try it when we get home? Would you try one?
I wouldn't, no. What the hell do you want that for?
Because you can eat them.
I don't know why.
Why?
You didn't notice the cave, did you?
What cave?
I seen the cave.
Because you've been before here, but I...
Good boy.
What is it? It's a ball. If it were a ball. Get off. It's weird here, isn't it?
Huh?
It's weird here, isn't it? Do we get back down now, just the way we come? Oh, it's high, yeah. Does it go downwards there?
Yeah, it went down.
Is that all it does? Okay. Oh, is there? I don't know. Oh, shall we go down there? I'll go back this way. Oh, I've just got a prickle in the leg. Oh, he's getting prickles and bites, everyone. Teddy! Ça va? Yeah, it's nice here, isn't it? Look at all the trees and everything. Yeah, we are at Park Bridge. Do you know any history on it, Jason? Do you know any history, baby?
My history?
Any history on Park Bridge?
There used to be a viaduct here, trains.
Trains.
Said on that thing down there.
Oh, it's weird, isn't it? It's like weird. I'll have to do some research on it. Well, I know he's got a stick. Teddy! Teddy, look where Mummy is! Oh, yeah. Likes a stroll and an explore, doesn't he? Come here, down! Hi! You stupid dog. Daredevil dog, innit? Daredevil doggy! You are. Like an old stone there, like. Weird design on it. Yeah. Oh my god, we're going back down the spiral staircase, guys. Look. Oh wow. Oh, that's a bit tight, isn't it? Oh, it goes right down, doesn't it? It goes right down there, everyone. What's in there? Where are them rats? I bet there's rats under there, isn't there? Okay.
It's black,
innit? It's pitch black. Not much, but that's been bricked up, that.
Yeah.
Oh, look where Mummy's is! Help! 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 I'm up here, see? Oh, be careful. Oh, don't jump down there. We're the kings of the castle. We're the kings of the castle. Go that way. Oh, be careful. No. 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 Come on. I don't want to even risk a broken bone with him. It's for silly tricks.
I'm walking up there, the silly trick.
Yeah, it's too high.
Fall over,
I know he won't fall. He's dead in.
What the hell's up with you?
I know he won't fall, but I'm scared that he will. Careful, Ted, there's glass there, look. Look before you do that, whether there's glass. Look up here. Some more secret hidey hole. Come here, Ted. What's up there?
Oh my goodness.
We've just been, haven't we?
I don't know.
Yeah. Come here, no jumping. No jumping. Yes, it's big brambles bushes. Oh, it's prickly. Then there's it smells funny. There's a funny smell in here, guys. Don't know if it's some sort of flowers you can smell or... Whoa, careful, will you? Come here, no running. Wait. Right. Come on, Jace, just nearly pulled my arm off.
Watch out.